Hello. You read the title. Let's get on with it. Hey, stop blocking the way. Dang, that guy already died. To be fair, that avatar does say a lot about him, and he died on an easy stage. Though that comment of mine was pretty hypocritical because, like all of these obby plays of mine, I usually state I die a lot as I am not the best. This is unrelated, but are you excited for the Super Mario Galaxy movie in 2 days? But it is probably in theaters by the time you are watching this. Also, if you are wondering, this game was originally created in 2010 by BitKiwi, but it was rehosted by Archive. The link is in the description. Remember that part where I said I was being a hypocrite? This is what I was talking about. The helicopter is just a few studs away. I don't think this is how I'm supposed to get on a helicopter. Oh dang, the helicopter crashed. That was a close one. Even used that grappling hook. Well, this game is 16 years old. We won't get an answer. What even killed me there? Why do I always forget this damages me? Oh, there's the exit. I'm blind. Isn't that treehouse model just the cool kid tree fort at Roblox released in 2010? And with that, we finish the obby, but why at a gas station? I would try all these givers, but this recreation hasn't been updated in nearly 4 years, so it's probably broken. Bye bye.